Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching us from. My name is Iperu James. This is gypsum ceiling installation, suspended ceiling. As you can see, the installation still ongoing. Installation still ongoing here in Iperu, Ogun State, Nigeria. As you can see, we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. You can see the perfection. Very lovely design for your residential apartment, warehouse, office. Very lovely design. We have the best finishing. We have the best finishing. We have the best finishing, and our price is affordable. Our price is affordable. Our price is affordable. Check it out. This is so lovely. This is so lovely. You can see the straightness. You can see the straightness. You can see the straightness. You can call us for your church design, mosque, warehouse, office. Can also be used for residential apartments. We need of course, Abby. Wow, this is lovely. This is lovely. We have the perfection, as you can see. The trial will definitely convince you, as you can see. The trial will convince you. It's a nice design. It is water and fire resistance. This is the face. This is the face. It's fire and water resistant, and this is the back view. This is the back view. Installation is in progress. Installation is in progress.